Connecting a PS4 with a broken HDMI port to a TV.
In this video, we will discuss whether it's possible to connect a PS4 with a broken HDMI port to a TV and explore alternative solutions.
Can you connect a PS4 with a broken HDMI port to a TV?
The short answer is no, not directly. The HDMI port is the primary method for connecting a PS4 to a TV. However, there are alternative methods that can be used to connect your PS4 to a TV without using the HDMI port.
What are the alternative solutions?
1. Using an HDMI-to-AV converter. This method involves using a converter that takes the HDMI signal from your PS4 and converts it into an AV signal, composite video and audio, that can be connected to your TV through the AV input. 2. Using an HDMI-to-Component converter. This method involves using a converter that takes the HDMI signal from your PS4 and converts it into a component video, YPBPR, and audio signal that can be connected to your TV through the component input. 3. Using a PS4 remote play. This method involves using a compatible device, such as a PC, Mac, or mobile device, to stream your PS4 gameplay to the device's screen. You can then connect the device to your TV using an appropriate cable or streaming method.
What are the pros and cons of each method?
1. HDMI-to-AV converter. 2. Pros: relatively inexpensive, widely available. 3. Cons: lower video quality compared to HDMI, potential input lag. 4. HDMI-to-Component converter. 5. Pros: better video quality compared to AV, minimal input lag. 6. Cons: more expensive than AV converters, not as widely available. 7. PS4 remote play. 8. Pros: no additional hardware needed, works with any compatible device. 9. Cons: requires a strong internet connection, potential input lag, may not support all games. While you cannot directly connect a PS4 with a broken HDMI port to a TV, there are alternative solutions available. Depending on your requirements and budget, you can choose between using an HDMI-to-AV or HDMI-to-Component converter or relying on PS4 remote play to stream your gameplay to a compatible device.